I'd like to respectfully acknowledge the Wangal and Bidjigal people who are the traditional owners and custodians of the land on which we stand.
I would like to present the awards for the support unit. Firstly, Justin from 35MD for independently creating a map and using grid references accurately. Mariama 16D for writing an amazing sentence about the moon. Adam 16L for thoughtful contributions to speaking and listening lessons. Adriana from K4V for reading the poem 5 Little Crayons with improved fluency. Ark from K4M for regular participation in Zoom lessons. Congratulations, everybody.
The awards for Early Stage 1, Week 6 are Miguel in KA for dancing up a storm during movement break. Sunvi in KP for working hard to form all of her numbers and letters correctly. And Vanessa B in KS for working hard to write sentences independently.
Hi Stage 1, thank you for another wonderful week. I'm now going to read your awards. Congratulations to Felix in 12S for using growth mindset in maths. Congratulations to Tenon in 12M for consistent effort in all learning tasks. Congratulations to Serene in 12B for great independent sentence writing. Now to 12G, congratulations Annabella for consistent effort to improve reading fluency. And in 12H, Annabella for wonderful work in mathematics describing the rows and columns in an array.
The first award goes to Samuel for working hard to improve his focus in class. Georgia for consistent effort in all classwork. Jeremy for his enthusiastic efforts during our maths lessons. And finally, George for his thoughtful pledge during Reconciliation Week.
The Stage 3 Merit Awards for this week go to Hayley for consistently applying herself to all tasks in class, Leon for consistently participating in class and completing his work to the best of his ability, and Billy for using his creative and critical thinking in mathematics investigations.